I hope I'm audible, guys. Can you please confirm? I hope I'm audible, guys. Can you please confirm? Yeah. So let us now start. Just wait, everyone. I'll start the class soon. So just wait. If you have any query now, so you all can ask me here, right? So guys, as basically all of you know that we have started like RBI Assistant Analytics mains batch, which is sure shot success. And basically, I would say that in this batch, what we are giving you is very important. I maybe some of you know me, or some of you whether know me or not. So basically, my name is Agnimitra Aman. Okay, so I will be teaching you Quant here for the mains examination. And rest teachers, I think you know this batch will be purely based on English medium, guys. So you can enroll. There will be 100 plus mains classes. Okay, then you can have a mock test with AI analysis. Then you can have a GA plus computer mastery and advanced topic coverage. Okay, so these are the main, I would say, main offerings of this mains batch. Okay, you can also tag an educator if you have any doubt. Okay, so you can also tag an educator. So this is problems I have. So please solve it. So we can solve you. We will solve your problems. Now let's come to that key. What we are basically going to cover in this batch. Okay, first of all, guys, as I will be teaching you the quant, so my way of teaching you should be like quite different. I always say to everyone that I teach like totally different. What that offerings are, it is very important. Now I have included the chapters in such a way that I have a block 1 and then I have a block 2, right? Why I have a block 1 and block 2? Because I segregated this both blocks into different things. If you know percentage, like these are like again advanced level question, not the basic one. In this course I'm not going to discuss any basic questions. We are only offering, I'll only discuss, I'll show you some of the demos as well. So we'll solve like percentage. If you know percentage, profit and loss. If you know profit and loss, simple interest. If you know simple interest, then compounding. Okay, and all are with different methods. Like I have made you understand the compound interest with 3 methods, right? If you know with 3 methods, correct? Then if you know ratio proportion, you can solve a problem of, I would say, problem on ages, partnership and mixture allegation. Some of you, those who know, those who join my paid classes, they might be knowing that what kind of things means. This is my block 1 where I teach. Now this is the kind of the, I would say, algorithm in which you should also study. If you know percentage, you should know 4 chapters, correct? Profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. If you know ratio proportion, you should know problems on ages, you should know mixed allegation and partnership. So this is confirmed, guys. So everyone should know about it. This is like the most important thing. Everyone, I hope you guys, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So these are the block. Now again, now everyone, this is very, when you know time, speed, distance, why you don't know train and boat? These are like under one roof. Then time and work and pipe and systems. You can also see that these are the correlation things, right? Speed, time, distance, train, boat, stream, time and work, pipe and system. These are like under one. If somebody knows time, speed, distance, he should know trains also. He should know boat and stream also. If somebody knows time and work, they should also know like pipe and systems, right? If you know probability, you should know permutation, combination. Now these are different. Mensuration is totally different. Now I have also made some of the main, when I have taken my mains batches, I have also made you solve quantity 1 and quantity 2 questions, and also I've included the data sufficiency. Have you seen, like many of you have attended my plus classes or paid classes, and I have been guided you there as well. So see the guys, this is the way you can solve. So a lot of things we have done. So this is my algorithm. This is again, I would segregate block 3. This would be block 4. This should be block 5, and these all should be in block 6. So basically, if you are like intelligent, smart student, you should say that quant can be completed. The quant part, arithmetic part, should be go in block wise: block 1, block 2, block 3, and block 4. Block 1 includes percentage, profit loss, simple interest, compound interest. Block 2 includes ratio, problem and ages, partnership, measure allegation. Block 3 includes speed, time, distance, train boat. Block 4 includes time and work and pipe and system. Block 5 includes probability, permutation, combination, and like block 6 includes mensuration and etc. like miscellaneous. I hope you all are getting. Now, anyone is having problem, they can ask me. Okay, this is my quant analysis. This is my quant structure, that how I'm going to solve, make you solve. Okay, in irrespective of this, means with this you are also getting an mighty sessions which is daily at 11, so you can also join me there. Now, if you'll ask me, sir, can you show me the demos, that what kind of question you will have in the class? First of all, let me also come to the DI portion, right? So when I come to the DI portion, now guys, see, basically the point what I analyze is in DI, that in the name of DI you guys are only solving tabular, bar graph, line graph, pie chart, and all your concepts are involving in this only. Some of you are solving like radar DI. Okay, but my point is that because you are giving your mains examination, so you should have that idea, you should have that logical understanding, clearance in your mind, so that any like new kind of DI, if they are coming like with LR, like I have said now, that logical reasoning is also there. So if logical reasoning plus DI is coming, so you should be ready for that. Okay, this has also been a lot of question I have made solve in the class, where I taught student please with LR combine with DI, or with DI you can combine the quant, right? And many question I have seen, basically many question I have seen. See, my point is that to make you the content which is far away, like here, my point is that you should not get content which is the level of the examination. No, because if you are solving a question of SBI PO level, like SBI PO mains level, then might be you can see in the examination, okay, this we have solved, and you will say that okay, it cannot be solved, sir. So my point is that why not increase the level from SBI PO level to this level? So you are getting LOD 4, level of difficulty 4 questions. In the examination, you have been asked level of difficulty 3. So my point is that, please try and get my point. My point is that in exam you are getting LOD 3 questions, right? I am making you solve in DI LOD 4 or 5. So my point is that you can smile and say that these are very easy questions, because in the paid class the sir had taught us LOD 4 and LOD 5 level questions. So I can solve this question very easily, sir, because this is LOD 3. This is the perspective of this LR plus DI plus quant. So nowadays it is not only DI, mains level DI. Everywhere you will find mains level DI. Like, not like that. I think, am I audible to all of you? Nowadays, please like the session, everyone. If you're there watching me, please confirm. Just let me check that whether everything is fine or not. Please like the session. Okay. Just wait, just wait. Just I'm seeing that everyone is watching me, yes or no. Okay. I think now it's fine. What I said, with LR, see, in the name of DI, everyone you should take LR plus DI plus quant. I hope you are getting my point. So this is the basic structure for data interpretation. Why not questions with LR? Why not question with DI? And why not with this combination you should get like one question? Everyone is getting my point? Come on, say. Everyone is getting my point. I repeat, please everyone. Please guys. You can comment. I repeat, please everyone. Please guys. Okay. Now, in spite of this, you are getting case-led DI, mixed graph, arithmetic DI, new pattern questions, which are up to the mark of SBI PO, RBI Assistant Mains. Means if you'll do this course, if you'll do only this course, then half of the content of SBI PO is also getting completed. Correct. Half of the portion of SBI PO mains is also being getting completed by you, because I am teaching you the level. Again, I am saying the level which I am teaching you is very, very important for all of you. Correct, guys? You all are getting my point. Correct, guys? Data interpretation, tabular, bar graph, line graph, pie chart, radar DI. These are the must do, but not only these things. Try something new. We should try something new, that your mind should work on that. Try something new. Okay, let me show you some of the questions which I like prepare for the mains exam. Okay, you can see. Now, this is the question, guys. Okay, this is an example of DI, I would say. Just wait. I would say this is an example of DI. What this means, example of DI means what is this example of DI means? Example of DI means that again, this is the kind of question in which data representation is very important. Everyone is getting? Data representation is very, very important. So every one of you should understand that how these questions are being made and how these questions are being solved. And this is a normal question. If you don't have idea for this question, you cannot solve any of the problem. Okay, this is called network problem. Again, see, I haven't mentioned this topic, but this is important. Why? Again, data interpretation, kind of a data, they can reflect this data. So basically you can hold this like in data interpretation, how you read it, on the basis of that, how you apply the LR, and then you answer. How you read it, how you apply the LR, and then you answer. Isn't it? Everyone is getting my point? I hope so. You guys are getting my point. And based on this, I have some questions also. See the questions, guys. Questions are very big. Okay. So based on this, we have a lot of questions also. 3 questions. This is just, I am giving you an example. Have you seen such kinds of DI earlier? Again, you can see. A DI, basically this is a DI, right? Data interpretation. How to interpret this data. How you can interpret this data. Again, very, very important thing. Correct? As I said, the way you understand the data, then you can solve the question. So we are trying, like, my approach is to make you solve like LOD 4, level of difficulty 4 and 5. And in the exam, you will get like LOD of difficulty of 3. Preparation is done. Correct? No. So preparation is done. So I hope so everyone is getting my point. Let me see from the app also. So that is clear, na? Everybody. That is clear. So this kind of content we are going to discuss in the exam, in our paid classes. Again, the content which I am giving you, you'll not find anywhere else, because these are very different content. You need to not only apply the maths, you need to apply the logical part as well. Not only maths, a logical part as well. So again, I would request all of you to please subscribe to our batch. If you are not a member, I would say subscribe to this batch, because you are getting ultimate concepts. I'm saying you ultimate concepts of everything you are getting here. So you can join us, and then you can part of. If you have qualified pre, and if you know that you can qualify pre, definitely you should join this batch. I would say definitely you should join this batch. Correct. If you have any doubt regarding this batch, I would request all of you to please comment so that I can address. Anybody is having doubt? Come on. I know one of you have joined me. Can you please comment? Who is there live? Yeah, some of you are live. Can you please say hi? Who is there? Good afternoon. Good evening. Sorry. Yeah, do ask me doubt. Like, we can discuss everything. If you can, like, if you wanna know anything about from my side. Content, I have shown you the content also. I have shown you the content also, that what kind of content we are going to discuss in the class. Upgraded version, I would say. A top-notch version. Can you guys come on? Please say, can you everyone? If you have any problem, you can ask me a doubt. Come on, guys. Else I'll end up. I've shown you the question. Okay. Till then, I would take a leave. Bye-bye, everyone. I have shown you that how this question will be done. I have shown you the content also, that how this question can be solved. Till then, I hope that you really enjoyed this. This is kind of content which we are going to discuss in the class. This is the, again, DI, which you haven't seen anywhere else. So this is the content which we are going to discuss in the class. I hope you really like the content of mine. Okay. Till then, bye-bye, everyone. Bye, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.